everyone. A very warm welcome back to the English Talkline. I am Sarah, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
And hello from me too. I am Sam. It feels so good to sit down and spend this time with all of you.
It really does, Sam. This is our favorite time of the day. A time to slow down, breathe, and learn English in a peaceful way.
Exactly, Sarah. No stress, no rushing. Just a nice chat between friends.
We are so glad you decided to join us. Whether you are at home with a cup of tea or taking a break from work, you are very welcome in our little family.
We truly value your presence here. It makes our hearts happy to see our community growing.
So let's take a deep breath together and get ready for a lovely conversation.
I am ready, Sarah. My heart is open and I am excited to start.
So, Sam, how has your week been? You look like you have been very busy.
Oh, Sarah, it has been a bit of a heavy week. I have been trying to be more responsible. I actually went to the city center yesterday to finish some chores.
That sounds good. It feels nice to get things done, doesn't it?
Yes, but it was a bit funny. I tried to go to that new bakery everyone is talking about, but I got lost. I ended up walking in circles for 20 minutes.
Oh, Sam, did you eventually find it?
I did, but by the time I arrived, they were all out of the chocolate bread I wanted, so I just sat on a bench and watched the birds for a while. It was actually very peaceful.
Sometimes when things don't go as planned, we find a different kind of happiness. I had a very quiet week. I spent my afternoons reading a book about old gardens.
That sounds much more relaxing than walking in circles.
It was, but I missed our talks. I was thinking about what we should discuss today to help our friends.
I am glad you did. I feel much more relaxed now just sitting here with you. The busy city feels very far away.
I agree. It is nice to just be here, in this moment, with all of you watching.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to learn how to talk about visiting the bank.
Oh, Sarah, that is perfect. To be honest, I was at the bank yesterday and I was so nervous. I forgot almost all my English words.
Don't worry, Sam. Many people feel nervous at the bank, but today we will make it easy. We will learn how two friends talk about opening an account or saving money.
That will help me so much. I want to feel confident when I talk about my pocket money, even if it's not a lot.
Every penny counts, Sam. Before we begin our lesson, we want to invite you to be a bigger part of our family.
Yes, if you find our peaceful lessons helpful, please click the like button right now. It helps us reach more learners just like you.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the English Talkline. We love seeing your names in our subscriber family.
Also, if you have a friend who is worried about going to the bank, please share this video with them. Let's help everyone learn together in a calm way.
Thank you for your kindness and support. Now, let's start our gentle lesson. I had a very busy morning, Sam. I went to the bank because I needed to open a new account for my business.
You went to open a new account? That sounds very exciting, Sarah. But tell me, do you have to pay the bank any money just to start a new account, or is it free for everyone?
It depends on the bank, Sam, but usually it is free if you are a student or a new customer. After that, I had to deposit some cash that I earned from my painting class.
Oh, you had to deposit some cash. It feels good to put money away. But Sarah, do you feel safe carrying a lot of cash in your bag while walking to the bank, or do you prefer using a bank machine?
I always keep it in a safe pocket, Sam. But once I was inside, I also asked the bank to change my secret PIN because I think someone saw me typing it yesterday.
You had to change your secret PIN? That is very smart for your safety. But Sarah, is it hard to remember a new number? What happens if you forget your new PIN when you are at the grocery store?
I write a hint for myself in a secret place, Sam. Then I ask the teller how to check my balance using only my phone, so I don't have to walk to the bank every time.
You want to check your balance on your phone? I need to learn that too. But Sarah, is the phone app easy to use for someone like me who is not very good with technology?
It is very simple, Sam. It just has a big button that says money. Finally, before I left, I had to withdraw some money because I need to buy some fresh vegetables at the market.
You had to withdraw some money? I love having cash in my hand. But Sarah, is there a limit? Can you take out as much as you want, or does the bank tell you no if the amount is too big?
There is usually a daily limit, Sam. It helps keep our money safe from thieves. It was a long morning, but I feel much better now that everything is finished.
Sarah, your morning sounds very busy. But I was thinking, what if I lose my bank card while I am out in the city? That is my biggest fear.
Oh, if you lose your bank card, you must call the bank immediately. They will freeze it so no one else can use your money.
You have to call them to freeze the card? But Sarah, what if the bank is closed? If it is Saturday night and I lose my card, can I still stop it? Or do I have to wait until Monday morning and stay worried all weekend?
You don't have to wait, Sam. Most banks have a 24-hour phone line or an app where you can stop the card yourself instantly.
That is a relief. I also worry about my phone. What if I want to pay for things with my phone like you do? I see people just touching their phones to the machine at the shop.
You want to pay with your phone? It is very easy to set up. You just add your card to your digital wallet.
You add it to a digital wallet? That sounds like magic. But Sarah, is it safe if someone steals my phone? Can they go to the shop and buy expensive things using my money just by touching my phone to the machine?
No, because your phone needs your fingerprint or your face to open the wallet. It is actually very safe. I also like to get a text message every time I spend money. It helps me see if a mistake happens.
You get a text message? That is a great idea. But Sarah, does the bank charge you money for every text they send? I don't want to pay extra just to see my own spending.
Usually, those messages are free, Sam. It is a service to keep you safe. Lastly, I always check my bank app before I go shopping to make sure I have enough money.
You check your bank app? I should do that too. But Sarah, what if the internet is not working when I am at the shop? How can I know my balance if I cannot open the app?
In that case, you can use the ATM outside the shop to see your balance on paper. There is always a way to stay in control of your money.
Sarah, listening to your smart bank habits makes me feel a bit silly. I had a very funny disaster at the bank last month.
Oh no, Sam. What happened this time?
Well, I went to the ATM to withdraw some cash for my mother's birthday gift. I was so busy thinking about the cake that I forgot I was out of bank machine.
You forgot you were at the bank machine? How is that possible, Sam? Did you think it was a vending machine for snacks?
Almost. I typed my PIN, but then I saw a cute dog walking past. I turned around to wave at the dog, and I completely forgot to take my money from the slot.
You forgot to take the money? Oh, Sam. Did someone else take it, or did the machine pull it back in?
Luckily, the machine pulled it back in, but then I thought the machine was broken. I started talking to the ATM like it was a person. I said, "Excuse me, Mr. Machine, I think you are still hungry for my dollars."
You talked to the machine? Did anyone see you being so polite to a piece of metal?
Yes, a security guard was standing right behind me. He looked at me like I was crazy. I was so embarrassed that I walked away quickly, but I forgot my umbrella was still leaning against the machine.
You forgot your umbrella too? It sounds like you had a very expensive walk, Sam. Did the guard help you?
He did. He tapped my shoulder and said, "Sir, the machine doesn't want your umbrella either." I turned so red, Sarah, I looked like a tomato.
Don't worry, Sam. We all have tomato days where we make silly mistakes. At least your money was safe inside the machine.
That is true. Now I always keep my eyes on the screen and my hands on my money. No more waving at dogs at the bank.
We have shared a lot of our bank stories today, but we know that our friends at home have their own stories too.
Yes, I want to know if I'm the only one who talks to the ATM. Please tell me I'm not the only one.
We have a special question for everyone watching. We would love for you to answer it in the comments.
What is the question for today, Sarah? I hope it's an easy one.
It is very simple. The question is, what is the most important thing you do at the bank?
Oh, do you go to the most important thing? For me, it is getting crisp new notes. But for you, is it paying your bills? Is it saving for a house? Or is it just checking your balance?
Just write one simple sentence in English. For example, I go to the bank to save money. Or, the most important thing is talking to the teller.
Don't be shy. We love reading your comments. It makes us feel like we are all sitting together in one big living room.
And if you see a comment from someone else, feel free to say hello and give them a like. We are a community of friends.
I'm gonna go check the comments right now to see if anyone has an umbrella story like mine.
Before we go, Sam, I want to share a secret tip that my grandmother taught me. It's about how to handle money without getting stressed.
I love secrets. Is it a secret way to make more money? Because I would really like to know that one, Sarah.
Not exactly, Sam. My secret is the envelope method. Every month, I put my fun money in a paper envelope. When the envelope is empty, I stop spending. It helps me stay calm because I never spend more than I have.
You use a paper envelope? That is so simple.
But Sarah, what if I see a very beautiful pair of shoes and my envelope is empty? Do I just walk away and cry, or can I borrow from next month's envelope?
You must be strong, Sam. If it's empty, you wait. It teaches your heart patience. Do you have a secret tip for the bank?
I do. My secret is the Tuesday morning rule. I only go to the bank on Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m.
You follow a Tuesday morning rule. Why that specific time, Sam? Is it because the bank gives out free cookies on Tuesdays?
I wish. No, it's because the bank is always empty then. No queues, no noise, and the bank tellers are usually very happy and relaxed. It makes the whole visit feel like a spa day.
That is a brilliant tip. It's all about finding the quiet moments. My last little secret is to always ask for a receipt, even for small things. It helps you remember where your money went when you look at your list at home.
You always ask for a receipt? I usually say no because I don't want more paper in my pockets. But Sarah, if I have 20 receipts, doesn't my wallet become very fat and messy?
You can put them in your money envelope when you get home. It keeps everything in one place. It's a very peaceful habit. We have had such a wonderful walk today, Sam. Let's do a quick recap for our friends at home before we say goodbye.
Yes. Today, I learned that if I want to change my address, I just need to bring one bill to the bank.
Exactly. And if your old card is dirty, you can get a new card and usually keep your same PIN.
And my favorite part, I can check my balance on my phone so I don't have to walk in circles in the city.
You've got it, Sam. Most importantly, remember to stay calm and ask questions. The people at the bank are there to help you.
I feel much more confident now, Sarah. No more tomato days for me. Hopefully. Thank you for teaching me.
You are very welcome. And to our lovely viewers, thank you for spending your time with the English Talkline. You are doing a great job learning English.
We are so proud of you. Keep practicing your sentences and don't forget to answer our question in the comments.
Have a very peaceful day and a wonderful week ahead. We will see you in our next conversation.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care of your wallets and your hearts.
Goodbye. Peace be upon you.